made the full thing.
Goggle.
Okay.
마이콘.
일단 이거
이거 뭐야?
apron.
Oh, 101 Dalmatians, yeah. The Disney hype fam. 어떻게 해?
We're gonna start with okay. 안녕 여러분.
안녕하세요 여러분.
네, 오늘은 조엘이랑 같이 한국 음식을 할 건데 조엘이 지금 우리 집에 와서 지내고 있어요. 제가 저번에 단앤조엘 채널에서 얘네들이 닭볶음탕 먹는 영상을 되게 재밌게 봐가지고 그리고 제가 저번에 한국 갔을 때 조엘이 처음으로 먹자고 한 게 닭볶음탕이에요. 그래서 예,
한 번에 안 만들었어요.
한 번도 안 만들었어 근데.
어떻게 하는지 잘 모르겠어요.
닭볶음탕이 은근히 쉬워.
왜요?
왜냐면 it's just putting all the ingredients together. Put some sauce, some simmer it, and that's it. And you have it with rice.
신난다.
그래서 네 오늘은 조엘한테 닭볶음탕을 가르쳐 줄 것입니다.
짱이네.
한국에서는 슈퍼 가면 이거 이미 잘라져 있는 거 팔아. And it says 닭볶음탕용.
아 진짜?
그래서 한국에서는 그냥 사면 돼.
다
Yeah, you have to chop it up.
나? 어떻게?
잘.
이렇게요?
응.
Just in half? 진짜? 이렇게요? Just like this?
Yeah.
Wow, this knife is amazing. 와, 대박이네. 와.
Great!
오,
Oh my
짱이네요.
gosh! 이제 이렇게
계속 추차추차. 진짜?
아우. It's stronger. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. Okay, crack it like that.
와, 방법 진짜 잘해. 그 보통 한국 사람들이 thigh 아니면 leg
좋아해. 그치?
좋아.
너는?
나는 breast.
Why?
She is best. Breast is best.
왜?
약간 it's the way the most of the meat is, right? Chicken.
But it's so dry.
It's like this is just like full meat, so you can just like yam. Look how much meat is on there. Look, that's just like one bit of meat. That's perfect. It's like straight in, like yum, yum.
We're just gonna boil it once
그래?
first and then throw that water away to
Whoa,
make it like
just-
super clean and like less fatty.
You could probably use like almond milk or something. No? 그런 거 아이고.
High heat.
High heat.
And then put some salt.
That's not right. Okay, ready?
너무 조금이야. 한 번 더. Good job. So now we're gonna collect the veggies. 양파, 고구마, 파, 버섯, 고추.
And you're rinsing?
네, 일단 고구마 잘라.
이거 좀 시원하네.
시원해.
So like, ooh, releasing of the skin. 이렇게 괜찮아?
아니 완벽히 잘 해봐.
아이고, 알겠습니다.
So how are you liking your life in Yeongnam-do?
I love it.
You love it? I mean, I really like Yeongnam-do as well.
So cool, right?
Yeah.
한두 더 있으면 좋겠다.
내가 그냥 할게.
Oh, Speedy Gonzalez. ¿Qué pasa, caramas de casa, señorita? We need to keep this big though, so I'm gonna keep this one as a 4. Yeah, you want it to be nice and big so that it like,
You like-
it just when it first comes out, it's like you can't eat that, and then you leave it for 10-15 minutes, and it's like just like melt in the mouth.
Nice. 솜씨보다 칼솜씨가 좋아.
그러면 이렇게 난 열심히 봤으니까.
자, now we're gonna drain the water.
그래?
Yeah.
와, 맛있겠다.
자, 이제 정말 복잡한 게 뭐냐면 소스야. 양념. 근데 이게 너무 어려우면은 한국에는 they already sell ready-made 닭볶음탕 sauce.
진짜?
그러니까 어려우면 그냥 그거 사서 하는데 나는 그런 거 없잖아. So what I do is so I have all the stuff I need. So 설탕은 한 숟갈.
필요해?
설탕 필요해. 2 spoons?
헐.
그리고 왜냐면 닭볶음탕 먹을 때 맵지만 it also has that saltiness, that sweetness. That's why it's so good because you can taste all these different flavors at once.
그래? 그냥 설탕 싫어서.
아 설탕 싫어해? 왜? Then you can.
너무 달았어.
아니야, you're gonna like this. 그리고 간장.
She puts sugar in, bro.
Beautiful.
네. 매실청. 매실청 it's a plum syrup.
와, 2 spoons.
이거는 가장 중요한 단계죠.
맞아. 이게 맛을 다르게 해줄 거야. 미림? 어렵지? No, this is alcohol, cooking alcohol.
Vinegar.
Like rice wine?
Rice wine.
Like rice wine. So, I'm gonna put 1 고추장, 1 spoon. Can you pass me the 고춧가루? Put 4 tablespoons.
14 tablespoons, yeah.
4.
Heat.
No, that's too much. Oh my god. 큰일. 잠깐만. Okay. No, I think you put an equivalent of 4 tablespoons.
아니.
하지 말라고. 하지 마.
불닭볶음탕이 아니야.
그러니까. 그리고 제일 중요한
불똥볶음탕. 불똥볶음탕.
다진 마늘.
오,
tablespoon.
That looks like
It's a puree.
아.
Yeah, it's puree of garlic. 근데 한국에서는 다진 마늘.
맛있군요.
Because I taste it. How spicy it is.
어때?
Spicy. 매워졌네.
저도 한 입만 먹어봐도 돼요?
Yeah.
근데
생각보다 훨씬 더 매워.
딱 매운 편일 것 같아요.
그러니까.
So good though.
참기름. 진짜 조금. 하루를 위해서만. Like that. Ready.
Pop it 냄비. 그러군요. 네. This is the problem when you learn Korean from like Dan and football commentary. 성하면 슛! 골!
자, 양념장을 넣고요.
Oh my days. 이거 좀 뭐지? 여러분, 저희 한국어 진짜 많이 늘었죠? 고마워요.
What?
오, 일단은
나?
볶음하고 닭볶음탕.
What?
잘 모르겠어요. 미안해요. 다시
그래도
합시다.
진짜 너 많이 늘었다 한국말.
고마워.
최소 minimum 45 minutes, okay?
지금부터? 저희 지금 배고픈데요?
지금?
안 먹었어?
기다려.
계속 기다려야 돼요?
그쵸.
여러분, 기다려주세요.
Okay, I wanted to make like a star carving on the mushroom.
Oh, how'd you do that?
Do a carving like this.
This is like some kind of woodwork.
Yeah, kinda. 나도 이거 잘 못해.
It's fine.
Kinda like
Yeah,
that.
now it's a flower rather than a star.
Another
It's beautiful though.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm trying to do like more of like a, you know. (40분) 있다 먹는다고 했죠?
좋아할 거, 내 거, 다른 거. 확인해봐야지. 우와.
Come on. It's gonna be so hot though. I'm scared. 맛있구나. It's really spicy. 이거 맞아?
맞아.
이거 좀. 아니?
맞아.
왜? Okay, and then this one is literally like there. 와, 잘났지? 예, 닭볶음탕 나왔습니다.
밥 줄게.
예, 우리 와, 장아찌 진짜 생각보다 아니.
먹을까?
네, 그 먹기 전에 하나님한테 기도해야 됐지. 하나님 맛있는 음식 먹을 수 있으니까 감사합니다. 아멘.
아멘. 내가 너 감자 너 좋아하니까. Thank you.
짱이네.
그리고 네가 좋아하는 breast. I mean chicken breast. chicken breast.
아이고 왜 그래요?
고구마 있는 거 처음 먹어보지? 맛있어.
I like to put the kumul on the rice. 그물이랑 팥이랑 먹으면
너무 맛있어?
차쿵 있잖아요.
아 뜨거.
헐,
맛있어.
이거 장났어. 맛있구나. Wow, tastes amazing. Gosh, it tastes proper.
Like this. just-
고구마도
고구마 짱이지?
진짜
맛있지?
잘 어울려. 잘 어울려?
응.
이거랑 잘 어울려. 아, 나 국물. 아, 장이네. 아, 너무 감사합니다, 가비님.
Oh, this is nice. Make
와,
this. Like.
대박이네. It's just so like. Do you know what? Like when I was young, I didn't really like food. It's gonna sound weird. Like we were quite poor, so we never really had good food. But we never really, outside of just like really basic, bland, cheap food. I think because of that, but I didn't have like
Something to do.
many good memories of eating. And then when I got older, when I went to Korea, it's just another story. Another chapter, and it's like it feels contextual. Like food is as much about taste as context, and about time and about who you're with. And that's what I love about Korea, because it really challenges like the idea of why you eat food.
Oh yeah.
So like before it was just like very individualistic. Oh, I need to diet. Oh, I need to eat this food. And so now it's like I'm in Korea. It's really hard to eat on your own, I find. So it's like such a different way of prioritizing food. But this is one of these meals I think that really embodies that experience. Me and Dan, we'll have 닭볶음탕 probably twice a week, maybe 3 times if I can twist it around.
Wow.
Because there's a place near where we live, and it's just so good.
The people are so good as well there, right? That also makes the experience really special and cozy.
That's it.
Yeah.
See, I think food is like the quintessential kind of archetypal root of how we do culture. Like it's like a mirror to the culture. The problem with going to Korea is if you go there for like 2 weeks, it's not enough time.
To eat everything, yeah.
You come back and you're just so fat. You've squeezed in 5 meals
Yeah.
a day. When I first went with Josh,
Yeah.
and I've never eaten so much food.
Yeah.
He was like, okay, now we're gonna go to Icha. This kumul is amazing.
너 그걸 또 먹어? 더 먹어?
What is it?
나 먹어도 되지.
I'm not a fan of when they put kinip in it.
Oh, why not? I love it.
So I enjoy it in here,
Yeah.
but for me it ruins it.
Oh,
it's
because
always,
overpowering.
it's so overpowering.
Oh.
But it's like I can eat it, but
You sound like a 닭볶음탕 connoisseur.
I think I've had so much 닭볶음탕 in
Yeah.
Korea.
So, what do you think after making it by yourself? Because you always bought it, right? You always went to a restaurant. How was your experience?
This is the nearest I've had to that place I go to.
Nice.
It's just like 진짜 부드러워.
Do you think like it was more work than you thought, or?
If I did it on my own, it would be. But because I was with you, it's like super easy. But no, it's not hard at all. The thing about Korean food is like I just assume that I'm not going to be able to make it. Or I assume that, you know. But it is just, I guess, a recipe, and you've got to keep doing something that comes out how you like it. It's amazing.
Good. 네, 어쨌든 닭볶음탕에 환장하는 조엘의 닭볶음탕이었고요. 네, 그러면 이 영상이 좋으셨으면 좋아요 눌러주시고 구독해주세요. 그럼 우리 또 봐요. 안녕.
다음에 봅시다. 안녕. 사랑합니다. 여러분, 벌써 보고 싶다.